Hi, I'm Eddie Delgado, and I'm here to speak on behalf of how ITEP got me my Posse Scholarship. Basically, I got a leadership-based scholarship, and I owe it all to ITEP because I had quite a few opportunities that trained me in how to be a leader.
Eddie, which academy did you attend? And talk about that experience, and then you talk about the school you're going to and what you're going to learn.
Well, I attended ITA, the International Trade Academy, and basically in that academy we get a lot of different opportunities. We have a topsail trip, we have an internship that we have with the Port of LA, and we also have a trip to Washington DC that we go to every year.
That has to be exciting.
It is, it's very exciting.
Tell me about, is that your first trip to Washington?
Yes, it was my first, actually outside the state. So
Describe how you were feeling and what you saw.
Well, at first I was very anxious. I was never on a plane. And but going over all the states, and when I got to Washington D.C., everything was just, it was magnificent. It was more than I expected. We also got to see some of the monuments, so that was very nice. Things that you've seen in movies and TV.
So you've kind of been inspired by ITIP. Can you talk about what you're going to be doing now as far as going to school and your scholarship?
Well, going to school, I want to be a surgeon. I want to be a leader. And where I got this idea from was all the opportunities that I had, like I said. And I'm going to be going to Tulane in New Orleans with my tuition paid. All I have to do is get room, pay for the room, and that's it.